is the first time I'm getting a very up close look at this car. I'm going to show you all of its coolest details. All right, we're going to start at the front. Here we are. I'm going to turn on the lights. Ready? Watch this. I got a little remote here. I love my remotes. Here we go. Lights go on. So you've got this L shape here at the top, and then it kind of is reflected in the bottom here with this L shape, which is quite nice. So we're going to see more of these lights on the road. Of course, you've got the Polestar logo here, and well, the same lights on this side. Did you expect something different? No? Okay. Now down here, what you'll notice is it says Smart Zone. Now, usually all of this kind of sensor tech is hidden away behind a grill or something else, right? Here, they actually want you to see it because this is the future of cars, right? We all know it's there. They're gonna get smarter and smarter and smarter. Why hide it? That's the cool stuff, right? So in the winter, if you're in really cold areas, this whole area here will actually be heated. So when you've got snow or rain or whatever it is on the sensors, it will actually heat up so that the snow just melts off. So those sensors will never be compromised in cold weather. That's quite cool. Now, moving around the side, we have these rims. I really like these rims actually. And you guys know I'm a fan of where rims are going with electric cars. They're more closed off. This one has quite a lot of openings actually, surprisingly, because the more closed off a wheel is, the longer range you get from an electric car. But I quite like this design they're going with. Now, what you're actually seeing here is, as I said, the concept. So this is the very first one out. In 2026, this car will be on the road, and the first 500 in the world are going to be a special LA version. What you see here is pretty much what you're going to get if you buy the production car. You want to see the interior? Check this out. So as you can see, open, it's a Roadster, right? And this is actually going to come with a hardtop. So the hardtop will fold back into the back here, and then that's how a hardtop goes, like that. And then if you look in here, you've got your steering wheel, and then you've got this big screen here in the middle. Now this does something so cool, and I'm going to show you in just a sec, but here's a little hint. Look at that Polestar drone. So freaking cool. Now here, this is actually going to be in the production version. These cameras, side cameras, so you don't have the mirrors anymore. Pretty much everything you see here from a design of the car is going to be what you get with the production version, and this is quite cool here. This is going to become quite a cool little feature on all new electric cars. Where is the charging status, right? It could be like the wheels light up, the whole door panel could light up when it's charging. On this car right here, it's here. It's this little discrete charging status. So you plug it in and this will kind of light up as it goes. Now, around the back, come check this out. We've got our rear tail lights, and I've got my little button ready. Here we go. Lights on. So we have some light features or light details here on the side, and then one big light bar that runs across the back of the car and down on both sides. You've got your Polestar logo again, and then down here you've got quite a big rear diffuser. This is, the design really is based on aerospace technology. They were like, right, we need to make it as sleek and as efficient as possible, and so that's where that design is coming from. It's very like aerodynamic. That's what they're going for. All right, now another cool thing. That wasn't planned. Okay, here, these rear tail lights, right, are not just tail lights, people. They're actually going to double as air brakes. We don't know exactly how it's going to work at this point, but very cool detail. All right, my favorite part, drone technology, bam. All right, now if you press this button right here, Polestar drone, back here, some stuff happens, right? So this opens up and then a drone is revealed that comes out of this compartment, and it actually runs down these tracks. This is like a landing pad for a drone. How freaking cool is that? And then the drone sits here and then can take off. And then with the drone, You can actually film yourself driving. You can be in your own like little James Bond movie where you can like have this